especially after ChatGPT. A lot of people have been doing their homework on time, have been sending email on time, and have been writing their article, documentation, everything on time. And the teachers are going like crazy. How was this guy who was not able to do type in 2 lines yesterday is giving you 10 lines today? And of course, teachers and professors already know that this was done, that this was not done by that particular person, right? But how do we actually find out if someone has actually used ChatGPT to do their homework or do their assignment or to write an article? Because a lot of people actually pay for people to do this. It's unfair for people to use ChatGPT and to showcase that as their work, isn't it? So now what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to teach you a tool which will help you to find out whether this person has actually used ChatGPT to do their work. So welcome to VJ's Insights. Are you ready? Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to ChatGPT and we're going to ask ChatGPT to write an essay for us on artificial intelligence. Ready? So here it goes. So now ChatGPT has prepared the essay for us. Now what we're going to do is we're going to copy this and then we're going to go to something called as OpenAI Detector. And I have given the link in the description and you can use that. Now I'm pasting that particular essay on this detector and check this out. At the bottom of the screen, do you see something as real and fake? Now check this out. It shows you as 99.98%, literally it's fake. So this detector can actually find out whether a person has actually used ChatGPT or not. Not just this, and a lot of companies actually have these kind of tools to find out whether the work is genuine or not. So people, they don't need to think that no, they are too smart and can get away with this. Yeah. So especially when there are more tools like this comes in, there are more tools which are coming out to find out whether people are actually using these tools. But what if someone wants to use ChatGPT to to help them with their creative? Let's say they've given details, but they want some little help with ChatGPT and then they want to completely rephrase it. Yeah. And there is also a tool for that. In the next video, what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to introduce you a tool which is going to help people to actually convert this fake into real. How do you do that? Right? So the detector has given you an output as fake. But how do we actually change this from fake to real? Right? Are you interested? So I will teach you that in the next video. Until then, all you need to do is subscribe and wait for the next video. So click on the link below and subscribe. Until then, it's VJ. Tata. Bye bye.